Taco, and in today's video I want to show you all a few different ways to tie your hair in a head wrap or turban when you have faux locks or braids. Right now I am rocking my faux locks, as you can see right here. I got my faux locks going on and I love them, but sometimes I do like to wrap them up in a turban just for a different vibe, a different style, different feel, and it looks really cool. It gets a lot of attention. So I wanted to show you guys how I do that. And also right now it's like the end of November, beginning of December, so it's a really good time to go to the stores and find a lot of different scarves and head wraps. And I like to get mine from Ross, Marshalls, TJ Maxx, Walmart, Burlington, a lot of discount or cheaper type places. You know, you don't have to pay a lot for a head wrap. And also, if you don't like to go out to the stores, online is always another option for you. They have a lot of head wraps or scarves on Amazon and other different places. So just check all of that out. It's all available for you. And yeah, so let's get started and I'm gonna show you guys how to do that. Okay, so for my first look, I'm gonna put my hair up into a bun. And I'm going to be using my secret weapon. I like to call it my secret weapon. And this is actually, what do you call these? A knee-high stocking. This is a knee-high stocking. This is a stocking that goes up to your knee. And this is a new one. And I got this from Walmart and it was like 50 cents. Like in like the lingerie section where they sell bras and panties and things like that. And they're usually in those little plastic little things that you find like toys in or something. And I got this for 50 cents. And this is really good for like if your hair is really big, but you need to put it up into a ponytail. This works wonders, okay? So what I like to do, let me step back a little bit, is flip my hair like this. And I'll get the knee-high stocking and I'll just put it in the front and I'll just tie it in the back like this. And I'll just do a double knot just to make sure that it's not going anywhere. And boom, there you go. I got it into the ponytail. And this is also good if you don't have braids or locks, but you have big hair and thick hair. This is really good for putting your hair together. But anyway, so I spread it out in the middle, kind of like this. And I like to just kind of wrap my hair, just kind of tuck it and wrap it, kind of like this. Just tuck and wrap. And sometimes you'll have a couple flyaways, but those are okay. They're kind of cute once you get your style together. So at the end, you're gonna have this little bun situation right here. And then I like to take, either you can take another stocking, because they come in twos obviously. So you know what, let's just work with that. You just take the second one, just tie it around just to make sure that your bun doesn't fall apart. So I just get it and tie it in the back twice. Make sure that's tied. All right, so I got my big bun here. You guys can see. You can see some of the stocking in the back, but nobody's gonna see that once you have your head wrap on. So for my first wrap, I have so many to choose from, y'all. Okay, so I'm gonna use this scarf that I have here. It's kind of tribally looking, as you can see. It's kind of thin, which doesn't matter with your head wrap, really. It's not that thick, but it's kind of long. Actually, it's super long. It's longer than my arm's length. you can see here, but what I'm gonna do is put this behind me like this. And you're gonna make sure that it's even on both sides. And I don't mind covering up my ears. I think it looks pretty good with your head wrap. So I'm gonna have my ears covered a little bit. And so you're going to bring it around to the front and you're going to twist it 1 or 2 times. However you want to do that. Twist it 1 or 2 times, okay? And then you're gonna bring it to the back and you're just going to twist it, not twist it, but just bring it to the front there. And then with these end pieces here, you're just gonna tuck it in, tuck those in. You're gonna tuck it in on that side. So nobody can see that. All right, and then adjust your hair as needed. And there you go. Okay, ladies, for the second look, I'm gonna be using this this off-white beige looking scarf I have here. This one actually has fringes on the end, but when you do the style, you won't be able to see the fringes, so that's not a big deal. It is really long and really big, but that's great for this style. So you're gonna put it behind you, and then you're just gonna let this one, it's very similar to the first look, except you're letting the fabric fold over the front of your hair, like this, okay? You wanna make sure that it's even on both sides, like so. And then you're gonna do the crisscross method, just like you did the first time. Cross it. Okay, and then you're gonna bring it to the back. This is the same thing, except your hair is covered up. All right, cross it in the back like that. And for these little fringy ends, you're just gonna tuck them in like you did the first time. So just tuck them in where you can't see them. Of course, you're gonna adjust everything to your liking. Do whatever you gotta do to make it work, you know what I mean? It may not come out perfect the first time, but it's gonna look great at the end of the day. So, you might have to squeeze and adjust and do your thing with that. But this is the look. Okay, ladies, for this third look, I am going to take my hair out of the bun, but it's still gonna be in a ponytail. So just give me a second. Take my hair out of this bun. I'm just gonna have it in a ponytail like this. All right, so this is the scarf that I'm using right here. This one isn't as it's long as the other ones, but it's not as wide. But it's a really cute scarf here. So what I'm gonna do is wrap this around the back like I did the first two. All right, and as always, you want to make sure that it's even on both sides, so you can just move it around and adjust it as you need to. And you're just gonna cross it in the front like this, crisscross it, twist it. You're gonna bring it to the back like this. And you could just tie it right here and just call it a day. but just kind of gonna do it like I did the others, and I'm just gonna bring it to the front and tuck it. Tucking is always really useful. Just tuck, tuck, tuck until you can't see the fringes or the ends anymore. And what I like to do is just bring that to the front. Just have my locks coming to the front like this. And if you really want to jazz it up, this is really cute like this, but if you really want to jazz it up, you can add some hair accessories. And I got these little hair accessories here, if you can see that. I got these from my local beauty supply store, and they came in a pack of 3 for 99 cents. So that was a really good deal. And I also got these, if I can pick them up here, these hoops with the shells right here. So I thought these were really cool. These came in a pack of like 5 for like 99 cents. So, you know, I'm really proud of my beauty supply store. They're really popping and they have really good deals. So I'm gonna try to see if I can, because there's an opening here. I'm gonna try to see if I can open this with these nails on, you know what I mean? So what I'm gonna try to do is, oh, okay, that worked out. Just bend it open like that. I probably should have just slid the other ones on, but let's see y'all. Let's see what we can do. And just close that up here. You know, if you really wanna accessorize and accentuate your look, there's ways of doing that. Oh yes. Okay, so yeah, there's an option there. Oh, it just got hidden there in my lock. It got hidden in my lock. But yeah, it's a really pretty way to accentuate your look. And with this one, I'm just gonna try to slide it on one of the locks. So I'm gonna kind of push it through if I can do that. Come on, girl. Okay, there she go. Put her through. And there she go. Of course, you might want to do a few, because as you can see, as you move around, that one just got missing, right? But anyway, you get the point. Accessorize your look. I also want to mention that for this look, you don't have to have it going to the side. You can obviously just have it down as a ponytail and just have your hair just kind of cascading over the wrap, the head wrap. And this also looks pretty good. Okay, for this next look, your hair is gonna be down and you're gonna take it out of the bun and just let it hang and flow. So I'm gonna use this turquoise looking scarf here. This thing is huge. So for this one, I'm just gonna start off with it in the front like this. Make sure that it's even on both sides. That. Pull it to the back. And you're just going to twist this. Twist it up as much as you can. I'm not gonna try to do a perfect twist for this one. I'm just gonna twist it. Just twist it, literally. I'm just gonna twist it. And then, as I'm pulling it to the other side, I'm just gonna continue to twist it until I get to the end here. And always making sure that you're adjusting and fixing things as you go along. And the point of this one is to make kind of like a crown situation. So sometimes if you have a scarf that has the fringes on it like this has little fringes on it, they're gonna try to be haters and poke through, but just, if you really like that scarf, stick with it. If you can help it, probably for this look, don't do the fringes, but if you really like the scarf or the pattern, go with it. And just twist it all the way around like that. And then once you get to the back, you're gonna tuck it in. Keep always tucking. Tucking your hair, tucking, tucking, tucking. And once you're done tucking, you're going to just adjust things to make it look to your liking. Anything sticking out, you're gonna fix that. I got a couple sticking out over there. And then you're gonna pull your hair down. So for this next look, your hair is gonna be down again. And I'm just gonna push it towards the back so it's kind of out of my way. This. All right, so I'm gonna get this scarf here. This is my pink scarf. Long, very long, as they usually are. And you're gonna put that towards the back. Make sure it's even on both sides. And you're basically doing the knot that's in the front. I'm just making sure right now that my hair is pushed back a little bit. And you're just going to tightly twist. Like just twist it kind of tight. Making sure that you're holding on to the scarf, because if you're not holding on really well and having a grip on it, it will unravel on you and just kind of undo all the work that you did. And that sucks, right? Okay, so as you're twisting it, it's already starting to bend a bit. So you're just gonna start to make your knot. So you're just gonna twist that around and adjust it as needed. Just make a good little knot there. And then, of course, as always, you're gonna tuck. You're gonna tuck it in. And get it under here really good so it doesn't unravel, because that would be embarrassing, right? Nobody wants to be out and then your head wrap falls apart. But the good thing is you have braids or locks, so you're not really worried about your hair being really messed up. I think that's tucked under pretty good there, and this is the look. Yeah. You guys, let me know what you think. Let me know which head wrap was your favorite and which one you're trying out. And as always, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification button so you don't miss any of the latest and the greatest videos coming your way from your girl. And I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Peace.